Libra, thank you so much for being here. This is going to be your November love reading for Sun, Moon, and Rising signs of Libras. Libras, thank you for your support and your likes and shares. Let's get started and see what is there for you. Please also comment so I know what is happening with you. Let's get started and see what is for the month of November. So you got a King of Cups here, upright, Nine of Swords reverse, the Fool in reverse, Five of Wands, Two of Wands reverse, the Strength reverse, the Hangman, the Temperance reverse, the Page of Pentacles, and Three of Pentacles. At the bottom, you got Queen of Pentacles. So what is happening with you here, Libras? There is a lot of imbalance during this time, but what I see is you're focusing more on your financial stability, your work. You're working very hard. It's all about work and stability at this point in time. You want to balance things during this time, with your life in general. However, there is an offer coming from a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. You're not stressing or worrying about this relationship. However, still there is no stability. You're not taking any risk, and there is no beginning still, because there is some conflicts I see with this relationship and a lot of imbalance and no planning. There is also, a lot of things that is blocking you, or you feel like a hangman, struggling and holding things. They're only offering you very little. So this could be an early start for some as well. There could be an earth sign, Pisces, Cancer, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Mainly I see an Aries here. I see a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and Leo mainly. So yes, so whatever it is, there's a lot of conflicts. They're going very slow. Initially they might have started and everything might have started very well, but somehow you don't see the future yet with this person. You're not taking any risk. Some of you might be in a relationship with someone at a distance from you. There might be also work related issues that is bothering you, and so a lot of issues happening because of some people are not cooperative with you, so you are busy with other things and not concentrating much on love at this stage and taking it slow without risk, because this could be you as well, not giving much in a relationship at this stage. So let's see what the Doreen Virtue card says for my lovely Libras. Passion. So there is a lot of attraction in this relationship, sexual attraction. It says express your love. Maybe the other person need to hear you. If you want a long-term relationship, communication is needed. Love yourself first. You need to take care of yourself. It's also saying you need to attract the other person. You need to dress up well or impress them a little bit, because they might be not otherwise attracted to you. So you need to make an effort to look after yourself. Pay attention to red flags. So there is something hidden in this relationship, so go very slow. This could be only a physical attraction for some, so take it slow, because there is nothing stable at this point in time with this relationship for my Libra. So go slow, because this can get better. It's asking you to be playful and go with the flow here. So take time, be joyful, and enjoy the time at the moment. So take baby steps at this point in time. If you have just started in a relationship, it says it is safe to love at this point in time, so they're not dangerous or something. It's just that it is going slow, and you find yourself very stuck at this because of other issues. Maybe work is holding you, or money, or other things are holding you. Libras, that's what I see here so far. Let's see, no more. There is a true love here. Maybe you love this person truly, or someone likes you very much here, but they're going slow. It is time to get to know each other. So be playful and be attractive, make an effort. There is some deception. This deception could be that they're not opening up fully to say how much they love you here. I feel this deception here is someone is not opening up, you or the other person, more than a third party situation. It could be for some, but I mainly feel that it is lack of expression here, because you don't understand how much this person loves you, because they might be slow or you might be slow and they're not opening up. So keep an open mind here. This person might be different from you, so you might not have the attraction to this person as well for some, apart from a physical attraction to stabilize or for a long time commitment here. But let's see more. Let's see what the Lenormand card says. There is some message coming for you in regard to love. Wow, this is from an Aquarius, or a wish coming true from a faithful person. Beautiful. And this could be a work related message, something you love, or from a person. This person might be someone young or bit someone early and you might have just met. It might be coming from an institute as well, or from a higher authority. It is definitely work, even though it's love, and for some it is love as well, from someone from who's rich or famous here, and that is a good beginning with love here. So, and very much sexual attraction, but can land up in commitment later. So wow, this is good, because this person is faithful to you in a relationship, or this could be you who's faithful and waiting, but there is someone here coming who's in and out, with love. It can be very sexual. That's what I see so far as well. Now let's see what else is coming for you. Let's see what else they present us. Mask. So I see deception and mask again. Someone who is not opening up, or there is more to know about this person later. True feelings, hiding feelings, and pretending to be someone. All of that. Hammer. So someone is restarting again, rebuilding, and working on it. Someone here needs to work, but there is kisses, so there is love here in this situation. Axe is someone cutting off and separation, and breaking up as well for some. So let's see what their personality is during this time, what they present as. Crazy for you. So yes, for some, as I mentioned, this deception is about hidden feelings. They have so much to tell you and love you, but they're scared of rejection because of conflicted relationship. There might be some conflicts going in a relationship here, disagreement and conflicted. But this person is very cheerful, or they might find you very cheerful and, a happy type. And an adorable personality. One of you are very adorable and cheerful. So that's why, it's working. And it can turn into an ideal partnership here. So, you just have to wait, because things will work out for you. And there might be some competitive issues happening as well with work and other things, who's doing better than who. So never have competition and issues like that with relationship. And the person is very charismatic, or has a charismatic personality here, very articulate, someone who likes to talk a lot. You need to also communicate in this relationship, make that happen. At the bottom, you got a charming personality. So this is very good. Someone who is charismatic, charming, adorable, ideal partnership. The only thing is you shouldn't be competitive here, and they are crazy for you. Someone here likes you a lot, or this could be you. Someone is hiding their feelings and they have more to give. Let's see what the advice is for you, Libras. Embrace. So through each other you find the missing pieces. Oh, that's so cute. So there is some love which will grow, and when you both open up, things will be really very, very platonic. This one says emotions are natural and necessary part of your life, but they can also distort your perception and cloud your vision. In order to see things clearly, you must let go of resentment. So this is asking you to, embrace your feelings and let go of resentment here, Libras, and says wait here as well. So don't rush into it. Allow nature to take its course. Yes, for some you need to wait to know the real nature of what is happening, whether it's deception or it is the feeling which is hidden. There is nothing stopping you. The path is clear if you want it to be. So you might be blocking your own or self-sabotaging it, because this life is, the path is clear. You can just open up and do what you like, because this is time for you to do that. That's what I see, Libra. Take care. Please come and bye for now.